IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, is essential for synchronizing your Gmail across multiple devices. It allows you to access your emails on various email clients without downloading them locally. First, log into your Gmail account via a web browser. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access Settings. Then select See All Settings to access the full Settings menu. Navigate to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab in the Settings. Under the IMAP Access section, choose Enable IMAP and save the changes. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, generate an app-specific password in your Google account security settings for use with third-party email clients. Make sure to use SSL TLS encryption as this is required for IMAP connections. Once IMAP is enabled in Gmail, configure your email applications. For desktop clients like Outlook or Thunderbird, enter these server details. For Android or iOS apps, use OAuth 2.0 for secure authentication when available. A common issue is blocked ports by firewalls. Ensure your firewall allows ports 993 and 587. If issues occur, check Gmail's recent security activity or use app passwords instead of your main password. Use SSL TLS encryption for secure connections.